Hello student, good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss remaining question of exercise 7.2, question number 1, bit question VII. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड। तो यहाँ पे जो नंबर दिया गया वो नंबर का क्यूब रूट निकालना प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड यूज करके। सो VII that is 1,10,592. So let us define. Exercise 7.2 first question VII that is 1,10,592. 1,10,592. सो 1,10,592 का क्यूब रूट निकालना है। तो सबसे पहले ये नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालते हैं। 1,10,592. So 1,10,592 is divided to 2 5 jar 10, 2 5 jar 10, 2 2 jar 4, 2 9 jar 18, 2 6 jar 12. 55,296 is divided to that is 2 2 jar 4, 2 7 jar 14, 2 6 jar 12, 2 4 jar 8, 2 8 jar 16. 27,648 is divisible by 2. 2 1 jar 2, 2 3 jar 6, 2 8 jar 16, 2 2 jar 4, 2 4 jar 8. 13,824. 13,824 is divisible by 2. 2 6 jar 12, 2 9 jar 18, 2 1 jar 2, 2 2 jar 4. 6,912 is divisible by 2. 2 3 jar 6, 2 4 jar 8, 2 5 jar 10, 2 6 jar 12. 3,456 is divisible by 2. 2 1 jar 2, 2 7 jar 14, 2 2 jar 4, 2 8 jar 16. 1,728 is divisible by 2. 2 8 jar 16, 2 6 jar 12, 2 4 jar 8. 864 is divisible by 2. 2 4 jar 8, 2 3 jar 6, 2 2 jar 4. 432 is divisible by 2, that is 2 2 jar 4, 2 1 jar 2, 2 6 jar 12. 216 is divisible by 2, that is 2 10 jar 20, 2 8 jar 16. 108. 108 is divisible by 2, that is 2 5 jar 10, 2 4 jar 8. 54 is divisible by 2. 2 2 jar 4, 2 7 jar 14. 27 is divisible by 3, that is 3 9 jar 27. 9 is divisible by 3, 3 3 jar 9. 3 is divisible by 3, 3 1 jar 3. Then write down 1,10,592. The prime factor of 1,10,592. So that is 1,10,592. So that is called how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 times 2. तो वही लिखिए 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, then 2 into 2 into 2. So 12 times 2. Then how many times 3? 1 2 3. 3 times 3. 1 2 into 3. Then the cube root of 1,10,592. So this should. बाद में हर फैक्टर को 3 बार लेके ग्रुप बनाना. तो 2 का एक ग्रुप बना और एक ग्रुप बना और एक ग्रुप बना और एक बाद में 3 का एक ग्रुप बना. 2 का कितना ग्रुप बना? 1 2 3 4 ग्रुप. बाद में 3 का एक ग्रुप बना. सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 1,10,592 दैट इज इक्वल टू. तो फिर बाद में क्या करना, हर ग्रुप में एक एक नंबर ला के मल्टीप्लाई करना. 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3. 2 2 जार 4, 4 2 जार 8, 8 2 जार 16, 16 3 जार 48. The cube root of 1,10,592 that is equal to 48. Then next comes the V triple I. 46,656. 46,656. तो क्यूब रूट निकालना है. तो सबसे पहले 46,656 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं. 46,656. So it is divisible by 2. So 2 2 jar 4, 2 3 jar 6, 2 3 jar 6, 2 2 jar 4, 2 8 jar 16. So that is equal to 23,328. So 23,328 is divisible by 2. That is 2 1 jar 2 1 jar 2, then 2 1 jar 2, 2 6 jar 12, 2 6 jar 12, then 2 4 jar 8. So that is equal to 11,664. So 11,664 is divided by 2. That is 2 5 jar 10, 2 8 jar 16, 2 3 jar 6, 2 2 jar 4. 5,832, which is divided by 2. 2 2 jar 4, 2 9 jar 18, 2 1 jar 2, 2 6 jar 12. 2,916, so which is divisible by 2. 2 1 jar 2, 2 4 jar 8, 2 5 jar 10, 2 8 jar 16. 1,458, which is divisible by 2. 2 7 jar 14, 2 2 jar 2 2 jar 4, then 2 9 jar 18. 729, which is divisible by 3. That is 3 2 jar 6, 3 4 jar 12, 3 3 jar 9. 243 is divisible by 3. 3 8 jar 24, 3 1 jar 3. 81 is divisible by 3. 3 2 jar 6, 3 7 jar 21. 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9 jar 27. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3 jar 9. 3 is divisible by 3. 3 1 jar 3. Then write down the prime factor of 46,656. 46,656 equal to how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Then how many times 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. बाद में हर फैक्टर को 3 बार लेके ग्रुप बनाना. तो 2 का एक ग्रुप बना और एक ग्रुप बना, 2 का 2 ग्रुप बना, बाद में 3 का एक ग्रुप बना और एक ग्रुप. सो 2 का 2 ग्रुप बना, 3 का 2 ग्रुप बना. देन क्यूब रूट ऑफ cube root of 46,656. So that is equal to हर ग्रुप में एक एक नंबर लाके मल्टीप्लाई करना. 2 into 2, then 3 into 3. So that is equal to 2 2 jar 4, 4 3 jar 12, 12 3 jar 36. So that means the cube root of 46,656, that is equal to 36. Then next comes the IX. 1,75,660. 1,75,660 616। तो सबसे पहले ए नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालते हैं। 1,75,616। So this number is divisible by 2, that is 2 8 jar 16, 2 7 jar 14, 2 8 jar 16, then add 0, then 2 8 jar 16. 87,808. So this number is divisible by 2, that is 2 4 jar 8, 2 3 jar 6, then 2 9 jar 18, then add another 0, then 2 4 jar 8. So that is 43,904. So 43,904 is divisible by 2, that is 2 2 jar 4, 2 1 jar 2, 2 9 jar 18, 2 5 jar 10, 2 2 jar 4. 21,952, which is divisible by 2, that is 2 10 jar 20, 2 9 jar 18, 2 7 jar 14, 2 6 jar 12. 10,976, which is divisible by 2, that is 2 5 jar 10, 2 4 jar 8, 2 8 jar 16, 2 8 jar 16. 5,488, so it is divisible by 2, that is 2 2 jar 4, 2 7 jar 14, 2 4 jar 8, 2 4 jar 8. 2,744 is divisible by 2, that is 2 1 jar 2, 2 3 jar 6, 2 7 jar 14, 2 2 jar 4. 1,372 is divisible by 2, that is 2 6 jar 12, 2 8 jar 16, 2 6 jar 12. 686 is divisible by 2, that is 2 3 jar 6, 2 4 jar 8, 2 3 jar 6. 343 is divisible by 7, 7 4 jar 28, 7 9 jar 63. 49, 49 is divisible by 7, 7 7 jar 49. 7 is divisible by 7, 7 1 jar 7. So first you write down the prime factor of 1,75,616. 1,75,616, that is called to. How many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2. So write down 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, then 2 into 2 into 2, then how many times 7? 1 2 3. 3 times 7, 1 2 3। बाद में हर फैक्टर को 3 बार लेके ग्रुप बनाना। तो 2 का कितना ग्रुप बना? 3 ग्रुप बना। 7 का एक ग्रुप बना। देन क्यूब रूट ऑफ 1,75,616 दैट इज कॉल्ड। हर ग्रुप में एक एक नंबर लाके मल्टीप्लाई करना। 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 7, so that is called 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 8 7 jar 56. That means the cube root of 1,75,616 that is called to 56. Then next comes the x, that is 91,125। तो सबसे पहले नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालते हैं। 91,125। So this number is divided by 3, that is 3 into 30 that is equal to 19. Then 3 3 jar 9, 3 7 jar 21, 3 5 jar 15. 30,375 is divided by 3, that is 3 10 jar 30, 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, 3 5 jar 15. 10,125 which is divided by 3, that is 3 3 jar 9, 3 3 jar 9, 3 7 jar 21, 3 5 jar 15. 3,375 which is divided by 3, 3 1 jar 3, 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, then 3 5 jar 15. 1,125, so which is divided by 3, 3 3 jar 9, 3 7 jar 21, 3 5 jar 15. 375 which is divided by 3, 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, 3 5 jar 15. 125 which is divided by 5, 5 2 jar 10, 5 5 jar 25. 25 is divided by 5, 5 5 jar 25 and 5 is divided by 5, 5 1 jar 5. So first you write down the prime factor of 91,125. 91,125 that is equal to how many times 3? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Then how many times 5? 1 2 3, so 3 times 5, 1 into 2 into 3. Then बाद में हर फैक्टर को 3 बार लेके ग्रुप बनना। तो 3 का 2 ग्रुप बना और 5 का 1 ग्रुप बना। देन क्यूब रूट ऑफ 91,125 दैट इज कॉल्ड। बाद में हर ग्रुप में एक एक नंबर ला के मल्टीप्लाई करना 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 सो दैट इज कॉल्ड 3 3 जार 9 9 5 जार 45 that means the cube root of 91,125 that is called to 45